Hi there guys, so today I've got a video on a AppleCare replacement, the express replacement service, which is £79. Essentially you get a brand new phone shipped to you really quickly. This came within 24 hours and you basically pay £79 excess for the replacement phone. You also pay the price of the handset, so I've had a £1,309 hold on my card. You set this all up as your new phone and then you send your old phone back to them and then they'll release that hold and you'll just end up paying the £79. The reason why I need this replacement is because the charging port on my iPhone 15 Pro Max has stopped working, in that it doesn't actually hold any cables. I won't bore you with that, but I've tried everything to fix it and it just the cables just fall out. And it's just unusable because I always wake up with it not charged. I've tried to clean it, I've tried to put air in it, all that, and it's not working, it's broken. So yeah, it was time for me to actually use the AppleCare that I paid for and get a replacement. So I'm just going to do a video on the sort of quality. I'm guessing this will probably be like a refurbished device, or new or refurbished, but yeah, I just want to do a little unboxing of that to show you the quality. I opened it the wrong way, but I guess that doesn't really matter. So we'll take it out of this box. What's in here? Right, we've got a new SIM pin ejector and just a little leaflet, little support leaflet. Okay, let's put that aside. So it's quite literally just a very plain box. Yeah, nothing much on there. So it should be a like-for-like replacement, so the exact same colour, the exact same memory. So I'm guessing it's going to be, I've not checked yet, but that's usually how they do it. I don't think they'll let you choose a different colour or anything like that. It usually has to be the exact same. So let's have a look. Mine's a black one. So this should be the black, I think it is. Yep, exact same as my current phone, but basically new. It looks new. I'm guessing all the housing had been new and everything like that. Definitely looks a lot cleaner. So let me just take this off. Yeah, it essentially looks like a brand new one, to be honest. I can't see any marks or anything on it. My current one's actually really scuffed, like it's got scratches all on the screen. The charging port doesn't work, so I'm going to actually put a screen protector on this one and look after it. But yeah, that was a really quick video on the express replacement service from the £79 AppleCare. Yeah, just to demonstrate how it comes. In the box you also get your returns label and everything like that, so you are obviously expected to return your current phone. If you don't return it in 10 days, I believe they charge you the £1,300, the full amount of the device. So definitely make sure to return your old phone just so that you actually get that money back. But yeah, that is quite literally everything for this quick video. It was just an unboxing on the replacement of my phone. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.